Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. This week, I want to show you how I cook chicken rice soup with pumpkin and lentils to enjoy in the cold weather in the UK now. The ingredients are simple: 700 grams of chicken legs, half cup of jasmine rice, 350 grams of pumpkin, a tin of green lentils, and some spring onions and coriander. Put a deep saucepan on the hob. Turn the hob to the medium heat. Put in a teaspoon of oil. Add the chopped white spring onions and stir. Put in the rice has been rinsed and stir. Turn the hob to the high heat. Add the pumpkin and stir. Quickly pour 1.8 liters of water in. And stir to prevent the rice and the pumpkin sticking to the bottom of the saucepan and getting burned. Add a cup of chicken stock. And then the chicken. Let this cook on the hob until it starts boiling. I take up the foam on the surface of the liquid. Stir it. And continue taking off the foam. Turn the hob to the medium heat and cook for about 15 minutes. I use a stick to pierce the thickest part of the chicken. If there is no blood coming out, it is cooked. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel so that not to miss our presentations in the future. I now take them out. And tear the flesh of the chicken and throw the bones away. I stir often now to prevent burning. Add the green lentils that have been grained and rinsed carefully. Let this cook on the hob until the mixture becomes thicker and the rice blooms completely and the pumpkin and the lentils are soft. I add 1 more cup of chicken stock. I do it like this so it combines easily into a thick mixture. Put some chicken flesh back in and stir. You can add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt as I do if you wish. When it boils again, scoop into a bowl. Add some chopped green spring onions and coriander on the top. Sprinkle some black pepper powder on. I now add some pieces of chicken on the top and serve. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to put your comments below. We will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching.